Welcome back to my town and rural channel as we gear up for a new year. It's time to think about the best crops to cultivate in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting, these crops promise great yields and growing demand. Let's dive in. Staple food crops. High-quality rice varieties remain a staple, especially organic and long-grain. Sweet corn continues to be a favorite, both for fresh consumption and as a process.